Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the seismic shifts happening right now in the global construction industry. Stick with me, because what I'm about to reveal could redefine your investment strategies in 2025. From surging opportunities to looming challenges, today's episode is your roadmap to staying ahead in one of the world's most dynamic markets. Let's kick things off in the United States, where construction activity is firing on all cylinders. The sector added a whopping 196,000 new jobs last year, although rising unemployment rates hint at some headwinds. Here's the kicker. Total construction starts are projected to surge 8.5% this year. Residential buildings? Single-family homes are looking at a staggering 13.1% growth, but that's not all. Cutting-edge tech like modular building, 3D printing, and AI is resetting the game. And investors, listen up. The rise of sustainable construction isn't just a buzzword anymore. The market is demanding green solutions, and those riding this wave are poised to capitalize big time. Now let's jet over to Europe, where recovery is the name of the game. While specific regional job data is a bit hazy, it's clear that economic rebuilding is fueling gradual growth in construction activity. Ireland alone is expecting its construction output to grow by 5%. The real goldmine, though, lies in renovation and energy efficiency upgrades. Governments are funneling cash into modernizing aging buildings and infrastructure, with a focus on sustainability. For you savvy investors, this represents a golden opportunity. Retrofit projects are the next frontier of profitable growth. Heading east, South Korea is presenting a more complex story. Yes, job losses in construction hit a jaw-dropping 49,000 last year, the largest dip since 2013. But don't let that scare you off. Government-backed infrastructure projects and urban regeneration initiatives are laying the groundwork for a rebound. Big players are consolidating and refocusing on infrastructure, a clear signal to investors that long-term opportunities still abound. China, the juggernaut of the East, is seeing its construction activity stabilize, but not without challenges. Private investment remains weak, dragged down by waning credit growth and a slump in the real estate market, issues every investor should watch like a hawk. However, the bright spot? Local governments are opening the spending taps with aggressive infrastructure investments supported by fiscal deficits. Translation: roads, railways, and public works could be your high-yield plays here. Finally, Japan. Growth may seem modest at an average annual rate of 1.2%, but don't be fooled. This market is heating up in all the right places. Renewable energy projects, manufacturing investments, and disaster reconstruction are creating fertile ground for construction growth. And get this, demand for construction equipment is expected to skyrocket. It's a niche, but one that's primed for major returns. Globally, the entire construction sector is on an upward trajectory, set to expand from 9.7 trillion in 2022 to 13.9 trillion by 2037. If you're not paying attention to sustainability and tech innovation in this industry, you're leaving money on the table. The rise of prefabrication, 3D printing, and bold interior design trends like quiet luxury and bold colors are shaping how we live, work, and invest. To sum it up, the opportunities are massive, but so are the challenges. Labor shortages, supply chain woes, and lackluster productivity are hurdles that can't be ignored. The investors who succeed will be those who adapt, anticipate, and act quickly on these shifting dynamics. That's all for today, my clever investors. If you're not already recalibrating your portfolio after this, you're doing it wrong. Stay smart, stay bold, and tune in next time as we uncover even more ways to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's make those investments work for you.